Hello guys, it's me, the real MVP, and this is my first video by the way, and I'm gonna show you build hacks Minecraft. So I'm gonna turn on my Bluetooth. I'm gonna connect it with my oh no, wait, no, wait. Okay guys, it's good. So if you want to, this is the build hacks. Yeah, if you want such build hacks, this is the build hacks because, yeah. Please subscribe and like the video. Yeah, I need it. Oh, forgot. So I'm gonna create new world. Build hacks. So you guys can see that. I'm just gonna put little meme. A little meme, okay? Gonna put a little meme. Wait. Okay. Creative, peaceful. Then flat. So you guys can copy this. By the way, I have an intro, but I don't want to use it. This is my skin, and I have emotes. Wood punch. I just stay tuned for another video. So this one is going to be the fridge. Yeah, the fridge. So I need a sign for you guys. And one more thing, this is my phone, not anyone's phone. Sign. Oh. I am really sorry if I did a mistake. Fridge. So this one is going to be a real fridge, by the way. You need is iron. This, and then you need a dispenser and what do I need? Yeah, I need a button. But what's that? Button. And yeah, first you remember block of iron. Then you put the dispenser. And then you can go up here. Then yeah, now you need crouch. Then you put this. Let me show you an example. Alright, if I put this sign, ta-da! Just imagine it's true. So yeah, this is the fridge. So number 2 is, I want to know this. Number 2 is going to be bunk bed. So this is really easy, by the way. So you need the sign. Now this is going to take a little stuff. Oak. Oh, typo. Oh, yeah, this one. can pick anything, yeah. And then bed. You can pick any color you want, by the way. What is it? Yeah, it's done. Then you tada, remember, now it's floating. Then you're gonna need to crouch, okay, crouch, but both, you crouch again. Now the final touch, and yeah, oh, ta-da! Now there's a bunk bed. You both can sleep here. Stay tuned for part 2, and that's it for the video. Bye.